Indoor games. There are many indoor games which can be played inside the house. They are known as indoor games. Some of them are given below. So let's see some. Ludo. It is a strategy board game for 2 to 4 players. Ludo is derived from the Indian game Pachisi. Monopoly. Monopoly is a board game. In the game, players roll dice to move around the game board. It involves buying and selling properties. Money can be gained or lost. The game is named after the economic concept of monopoly. Chess. Chess is a 2-player strategy board game played on a checkered board with 64 squares arranged in an 8 by 8 grid. Chess is derived from the Indian game called Chaturanga. This game improves our thinking capacity and our concentration. The concept of the game is think before you act. Card pyramid. The game can be played by a single player and a standard 52 card deck. The goal is to build in a shape of a pyramid. You need to place the card balancing on the other cards. One card has to support the other. The game improves concentration. Scrabble. Scrabble is a word game in which 2 to 4 players score points by placing tiles, each bearing a single letter, onto a game board divided into a 15 into 15 grid of squares. The game improves our vocabulary, spelling, strategy, as well as counting. Treasure hunt. Treasure hunt can be played as individuals or team competing for time. It is a fun to play either inside or out. The goal of the game is to lead the seekers through a set of clues that take them from place to place to find a treasure. The seeker needs to read each clue they find and figure out the next location. The game requires intelligence and need to pay close attention to small details. Puzzle. A puzzle is a game, problem or toy that tests a person's ingenuity or knowledge. In a puzzle, the solver is expected to put pieces together in a logical way in order to arrive at the correct or fun solution of the puzzle. The game involves in thinking and careful presentation. Snakes and Ladders is an ancient Indian board game for 2 or more players regarded today as a worldwide classic. It is played on a game board with numbered, gridded squares. A number of ladders and snakes are pictured on the board, each connecting 2 specific board squares. The game involves counting and observation. Hide and seek. Hide and seek is an old popular children's game in which one player closes his or her eyes for a brief period while the other players hide. The seeker then opens his eyes and tries to find the hiders. The first one found is the next seeker and the last one is a winner. The game involves in our ability to stay silent. Musical chairs. Musical chairs is a game of elimination involving players, chairs and music with one fewer chairs than the players. When the music stops, whichever player fails to sit on a chair is eliminated, with the chair being removed and the process repeated until only one player remains. The game involves quick reaction and alertness. Freeze. In this activity, everyone dances as the music plays. When the music stops, each player must freeze immediately and hold that position until the music begins again. This game involves your total alertness. Building blocks. Toy blocks, also called building blocks, are solid shapes used for construction play. Some are fancy, like the interlocking bricks or plastic. It helps the children to develop their engineering skills. Carom. The game Carom is an indoor family game, being compact and portable. The game features square wooden board with 4 corner pockets and is played by flicking a striker disc with one's finger at the target pieces. The game helps in aiming. Rubik's Cube, a puzzle in a form of a plastic cube covered with multicolored squares. The player turns in various positions to achieve a single color on each side. The game helps in improving memory. Bowling. Bowling is a target sport and recreational activity in which a player rolls a ball towards spin or another target. The game involves in physical activity and aiming the target. Dart. Dart is a sport in which 2 or more players throw small missiles, also known as darts, at a circular target. The game helps in aiming and concentration. Cards. The game is played for pleasure or gambling by 1 or more players. It has 52 cards. The game helps in thinking and calculating. Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a game for 2 to 6 players. A player can move her marbles in one of 2 ways. The first is to move one marble into an empty adjacent hole. Marbles can be moved in any directions, forward or backward, one hole at a time. The game helps in strategy tactics. Table soccer. Table football, also known as table soccer. The aim of the game is to move the ball into the opponent's goal by manipulating rods which have figures attached. The game helps in good presence of mind. Air hockey. Air hockey is a game where 2 players play against each other on a low friction table. Air hockey requires an air hockey table, 2 player held striker and a puck. The game helps in hand-eye coordination and quick reaction. Table tennis. Table tennis is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball back and forth across the table using small rackets. A point is scored when a player fails to return the ball within the rules. The game involves in quick reaction and concentration. Archery. Archery is the art, sport, practice or skill of using a bow to shoot arrows. Historically, archery has been used for hunting and combat. In modern times, it is mainly a competitive sport and recreational activity. The game involves in concentration and aiming. Boxing. Boxing is a combat sport in which 2 players, usually wearing protective gloves, throw punches at each other for a predetermined amount of time in a boxing ring. The game involves in self-protection. Pachisi. Pachisi is a cross-circle board game. It has been described as a national game of India. The game involves in strategy, tactics, counting. That's it for now. I'm sure you understood something about these indoor games. Hope to see you soon. Take care. God bless you.